First, unzip the carry bag, open the mattress flaps, and pull the frame out. Lift each of the legs until they lock. You might need to adjust the fabric so they swing freely. Flip the crib over so the legs face down and unclip the strap holding it closed. Grab the ends of the top rail, pull them apart to unfold it, and listen for the lock. Press the rail sides to ensure it's fully secure. Unfold the mattress and lay it inside. Clip each of the 4 corner clips through the base of the crib cover. To make it a play space for toddlers, unlock the zipper on the mesh side and zip down the door so they can crawl in and out. Time to pack it up. First, unbuckle and fold the mattress out of the crib, then fold it in half. Squeeze the hinge levers under the rail. They're marked with 2 arrows, and unlock both sides. Match the moon icons on one side to the moon on the other. Same for stars. Fold each side inward toward the center. Take the strap on one side and clip it over the folded top rails to hold everything together. Flip the crib over onto the fabric. Unlock each leg hinge by pulling upward near the hinge. Then rotate each leg down and inward. Unzip the carry bag and place the mattress inside, creating a U-shape. Place the folded crib down into the mattress in the bag. Fold the short flap first, then the long, and zip it closed with a little pressure on top. For hands-free travel, unzip the backpack straps on the back side of the bag, pull them out, and clip them into the D-rings at the bottom corners.